In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Enshrouded game creation failed problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying solutions. The first solution is to verify Enshrouded's files and restart the server. To verify the Enshrouded's files, open Steam and right-click on Enshrouded. After doing this, click Properties and then Install Files. Then we click Verify Integrity of Game Files. We have verified our game files. Now we need to restart our server. If you are the server owner, you have to do this. If the server owner is someone else, he has to do it. After restarting the server, you can open the game and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is from G-Portal's subreddit. What you need to do is to remove the password of the server and save the changes. After that, you need to set a new password. This new password should be longer and contain no special characters, no numbers, and no capitals. After creating a new password, you need to restart the server. This is how many people on Reddit have solved the problem. I hope it works for you too. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.